Well, the thing about it is I have a complete separate filing. It's not like my fate doesn't rest in the hands of what the Supreme Court told Trump. My petition's still filed with them, and they should still be giving me a response soon. I mean, it did say that about federal officers, but at the same time, in President Trump's, it dealt with the jurisdictional standing issue, and that the state Supreme Courts don't have the jurisdictional standing to rule on insurrection. They also put that in there. And here I had a district court judge in Santa Fe in a bench trial rule on insurrection, so...
Well, let me ask you a question.
But rolling it back, it's a jurisdictional standing issue, and it says very clearly in Section 3 of the 14th Amendment that it's got insurrection can only be legislated by a 2/3 majority vote of Congress. Even the layperson can understand that. That's not very hard to understand. It's not self-executing law. It's not like not wearing your seatbelt. Insurrection has to be legislated. It has to be done through Congress, and they're the only ones that have jurisdictional standing. My petition will soon be responded to, and I still believe that when it does, we're going to have good news. It's going to be just reaffirm the position, Anthony, that, that you can't use civil bench trials to rule on egregious criminal matters and then remove duly elected officials. I mean, if you want to talk about our democracy being under attack, there's no greater evidence than that right there.
What does the future hold for Couy Griffin?
I don't know, to be honest with you. I mean, I pray that I've earned the respect of the president to possibly be considered for an appointment inside the Department of Ag or the Interior. I only advocate for that, Anthony, only to try to bring representation back to our loggers, our sawmillers, our ranchers, people that utilize the land. If I'm jockeying for anything, that's it, just to be potentially on Trump's cabinet and operate with executive power.